Welcome to this technical guide on the Conga 1090. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your brush motor is making unusual noises, it could indicate a problem that needs attention. These noises might be caused by debris stuck in the motor, worn bearings, or even a misalignment. If left unchecked, this could lead to further damage and potentially render your device unusable. To fix this issue, you will need a screwdriver set, a pair of tweezers, a replacement brush motor, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Begin by safely opening your Conga 1090. Ensure it's unplugged and lay it on a flat surface. Using the screwdriver, carefully remove the screws at the base of the unit. Keep these screws in a safe place to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the casing using your fingers or a plastic tool to prevent scratches. Next, locate the brush motor, which is usually situated near the main cleaning head. You may notice some dirt or hair wrapped around it. This is often the culprit behind those strange noises. To extract the brush motor, carefully unplug any connected wires. Make sure to note where each wire goes for reassembly. Use your tweezers to gently pull the motor out. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components during this process. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you have the faulty motor out, take your replacement brush motor and insert it back into the same slot. Reconnect the wires, ensuring they are secure. Now, before closing up the unit, it's a good idea to clean the internal components with isopropyl alcohol to prevent future issues. Simply dab a cloth in the alcohol and wipe down any visible dirt. After cleaning, carefully place the casing back on the unit and reinsert the screws, tightening them gently to avoid stripping them. Once assembled, plug in your Conga 1090 and turn it on to check if the brush motor operates smoothly without any strange noises. If everything sounds good, congratulations, you've successfully repaired your device. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the brush and motor area to remove any debris. Additionally, ensure that you inspect the motor for wear and tear periodically. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.